This is one of the best scalping strategy available free on TradingView. As always, let's keep it short and sweet. Click your indicators tab and search for our first indicator, which is Madrid ribbon. And this indicator has 25,000 likes, and this indicator released on 2015. So it is very old indicator and it is doing a really good job. Click at your chart, and after you add the indicator, you will see on your chart this green line and the red line. So it is very self-explanatory. When you use it on the 1 minute, especially in the scalping, it will be one of your best friends in trading. And now what we're gonna do now is we will add our second indicator. Let's go to indicators tab and search for Ichimoku, and you will see this indicator. This is from LuxAlgo. Click at your chart, and this is also the editor picks indicator. Let's dive in what this indicator is all about. As I said in the beginning, this will be a scalping strategy, so you can use it in the 1 minute, 3 minute and the 5 minutes. So you can try it out on the higher time frames if you want. Now I will explain you how these indicators work and how you should combine. And now first thing is, of course, the settings. Let's go to settings, and your Madrid ribbon settings can be shock you because there is no settings. If you go to style tabs, you can change the colors if you want, and that's everything you can do. Actually, what you can do also, you can just disable the moving averages here. If you don't want to see the 15, 10, whatever it is, you can hide these ones, but there are no settings on the input. So if you done that, basically just hit the OK button. Now what we do now is we will go over the settings for the Ichimoku oscillator. Get ready to take your trading to the next level. I have passed lot of challenge account easy like 3-1 with LuxAlgo Premium. These indicators are here to guide you in the darkness. You can use LuxAlgo indicators on any market you want. LuxAlgo has 3 different trading indicators: signals and overlays, price action concepts, and oscillator metrics. The great thing is they all have their own backtesting system. Click the link in the description to claim your discount now. This is from the LuxAlgo. Let's take a look here. So the first thing you will see is the conversion line length. So these all settings nearly suitable for all type of markets, but what you can do is, let's say you want to trade gold, let's say you want to trade Indian market, you will put it on your chart with the default settings like you see on my screen. You will play around. Now we will use it in the default. If we get some bad signals, we can adjust it anytime. So it is not a must. You can come and play around with it. But this settings is really good for 1 minute scalping, and it has really nice combination with the Madrid ribbon. So hit the OK button. Now we will trade. I have set my time frame to 1 minute. I am trading Nasdaq futures. Now we will be rolling market because the New York AM session will be starting at 9:30 AM. And if you guys already know that, I always like to trade when the volume is in the house. So it can be a New York AM session, it can be a London Power Hour, or the Asia session. You can decide whichever you want because it really depends on the pair you're trading. Let's say if you want to trade the forex pound pairs, you should have to trade, the London session, right? It's obvious. What we're gonna do now is we will wait until the market open. Let's roll the market, and I will show you in an action how you can take long or the short signal. What we have here, we have a candle closure, we have the green colors, we have the green colors down here. So let's zoom in here. We can see that the market tries to go down first at this candle. So let's zoom out a little bit. I would like to show you this very important thing, because if you follow these exact rules, you will not caught up in a bad signal or the wrong market direction. To execute any kind of signal here, you need to make sure that all the colors here are matching. So with this candle, you can see that it is still red, right? We will wait the next candle, and we can clearly see that everything is green and price traded above this Madrid ribbon indicator. It doesn't have to be, but if it does that, it will be a banger signal. After you confirm this, let's put this check, and you will go down and check the Ichimoku oscillator. It will show you also the buy signal at the same candle. Look at this. It didn't give you buy here, so it gave you buy at 9:32. It's a very nice combination, I told you guys, and this is the live price action from today. So I'm not cherry picking. Today is 3 of October and we are shooting this video on 3 of October, right? We will be entering a long position with the bar close here. Since we are trading the mini contracts, I will execute with 3 contracts here and I will take partials on the way like always, because I always like to pay myself first, right? How are we gonna put our stop loss and our take profit? So the wiser take profit will be the recent highs, right? Because we like to target these recent highs. Market tends to go and fill that up. So the stop loss can be the middle of this rejection candle. You can see it clear, right? So if you took your Fibonacci here and if you pull it over from here to there, you can see that this will be halfway of it. So you can just put it just under this. You will be very safe. So if the price wanna reverse, it will violate this low over here. So this is a very nice tip for you guys. And now we will continue to watch the market. I wanna take some partials on the way here. This is my first partial target and I will let it ride the rest of the position. So we are watching closely the market and it's coming nearly from our partial here. And now I wanna take one partial here and I will let it ride the rest of my position until we took out this recent highs. It is very easy. It is very juicy trade. Just follow the market. And now what you can do is I highly suggest you move your stop loss to this break even, or you can just use the low of this candle, whichever you want. I will prefer to be safe because I already took a profit. We can use this one to not miss this $2,000 profit. Now let's roll the market to see if we get hit or miss. We are rolling the market and as you can see that we just banked this trade. It was a beautiful trade. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos and until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, you plan the nights you reach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood.